A gun safety panel has released a list of recommendations to improve public safety here in Massachusetts. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee is live in Boston to tell us how that could impact gun owners and schools.
Last year, shortly after the Newtown, Connecticut shootings, a gun violence task force was created to see what gun safety improvements could be made here in Massachusetts. And this is what they found. Uniform gun training programs, suitability standards for gun ownership, and school safety plans are some of the 44 recommendations made by the Committee to Reduce Firearm Violence, a panel of 8 experts appointed by House Speaker Robert DeLeo to advise him on gun safety legislation he hopes to have approved by the end of the session.
The report, as asked for, is extremely thorough. Will give us a lot to mull over as we file legislation.
The report found that Massachusetts has some of the strongest gun laws in the country, with some of the lowest rates of household gun ownership and gun-related deaths. Still, the committee said there's still room for improvement.
We've got to tread very lightly when we go to start crafting new laws. But on the whole, this is a good report and a lot of good recommendations.
Grafton State Representative George Peterson, a gun owner, is pleased the committee recommended changing the law to validate gun licenses even after they expire if a renewal application has been submitted and is pending. No further restrictions were placed on firearm magazine rounds that are currently limited to 10 rounds.
We filed that idea because we believed in it.
The committee report rejected Governor Patrick's bill to limit gun purchases to 1 gun per month. The committee did recommend that Massachusetts comply in a limited way to share information on substance abusers and people who've been committed to a mental institution and share that information with the national background check system. Live at the State House, Christine Lee, 22 News.